Hello guys and welcome to Carblog India. This is your host Tarun. As you saw, we recently drove the new Mahindra Thar on Freedom Drive on 15th of August. Now we have it again here for off-roading, for some hardcore off-roading, testing the true capabilities of this off-roader. So in this video, we'll be doing a brief off-roading video, off-roading review of the Thar and showing you its capabilities, its degree angles and how well can the Thar be an improvement over the older generation one. The one that we have here is the diesel manual variant, the same that we drove for our drive review. So let's get to the end of this video to tell you our experience. We are doing some off-roading with the new Mahindra Thar, and for that first I'll have to shift it from 2H to 4L. Here it's in the 4H, then neutral and 4L. That's how we are going to roll with the new Mahindra Thar. So now that we have set the car on 4L, we are mostly using the first and second gear itself, but the new Thar comes with so much torque that most of the time you can off-road using the second gear itself. Barely I've used the first gear, and actually a couple of times I have used the third gear as well. So we are at the Oras. We are trying many off-roading obstacles like wheel articulation, slush, going into a pond, testing out the water wading capacity, doing some rock climbing and a lot more. The one we are driving now is the Thar diesel manual. It comes with a 2.2 litre M-Hawk diesel engine that produces 130 bhp and 320 Newton meters of peak torque with a 6-speed manual and a 6-speed automatic gearbox. The one we are driving here is the manual, so it gets 4x4 drivetrain as standard fitment with a low range transfer case gearbox. So there's hill assist, hill descent and the electronic braking, lock differential working, helping me to get through these off-roading obstacles. So the first thing up in our trail were some dusty roads, and we decided to speed things up a bit. Seems like a perfect fit for this terrain, especially with some sharp turns. Then we decided to take up some hill climbing. There's no hill assist control working over here, but the Thar is in first gear and crawling due to the generous amounts of torque in the 4H mode. Then there's the hill descent control working as well. One of the most important and scariest obstacles was the wheel articulation test. People at Oras said that this is still better because there's some leveling done out recently. The slightly noisy suspension setup seems to be working perfectly fine. One of the scariest parts in this test is of the car rolling over. However, the suspension, 4-wheel drive and a proper roll bar installed inside the cabin work nicely to prevent a such rollover situation. Then we also had some mild rock climbing, for which again the first gear and the torque of the 4H mode helped the Thar in crawling. No acceleration done here, just working on the brake and pressure of the clutch. We are trying this off-roading slush now. The water level is still the bumper. There's a lot of mud over here, but still the traction control is working very smoothly. The wheel maintains the grip that you require to get past this obstacle. Now this is the pond over here. The water level has again increased. It has reached to the radiator level. But again, new Thar is so damn good. It's not showing even a sign of fatigueness and it's going on even on the second gear. After toiling it hard and rough through these obstacles for more than an hour, we can surely say that till the time off-roading is concerned, it's a big improvement than the older Thar. However, there's literally improvement in every single thing you can name about this SUV. Let's just limit ourselves to the off-roading part. Even for a beginner who wants to learn off-roading, get his hands on for the first time, Thar is the perfect car to learn with. There are not too many electronics to fiddle around, but yes, enough to get you going and start picking up the pace. The new Thar is back to regain its lost position as one of the most capable off-roaders that India ever had. If you have any more doubts or questions regarding the new Thar, its off-roading capabilities and all the technology that will help you with off-roading, then let us know in the comment section below. Of course, we have a detailed road test review coming up soon on our channel where we'll be testing its mileage, highway cruising capability and in-city traffic performance. Basically, a verdict to know whether it has the potential for being your daily driver, the occasional highway cruising machine and a weekend off-roader as well. So, stay tuned.